How to create Zedge account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can create a new Zedge account. For this, you want to open the Zedge app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to tap on accept and continue for the terms of service. Then you can either allow the notification or tap on not now. Now, on this interface, you want to tap on the login option. Now, if you already have an account, you can directly log in. However, if you do not have an account, you first of all have to create a new one or register a new account. Here, there are three things. You can either use your Google account, your Facebook account, or continue with your email. If you want to use email, tap on continue with email option. Then over here, you want to go ahead and enter your email address. Then tap on the continue option. Now an OTP will be sent on your email. Simply enter that OTP code. Now you will have to enter your username. After that, you will have to create a password. Make sure that you create a strong password. Now you want to enter your date of birth. Then check the box that says I have read and agreed to the privacy policy. Now you can also upload a public profile image if you want. For that, tap on this camera icon or you can skip this for now. Now you want to tap on the finish registration option. And as soon as you do that, you have successfully created your Zedge account. As you can see, the registration has been completed. You can simply start using the Zedge app now, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.